On June 1st, we decided to hit up a horror movie in Missoula, In Violent Nature. It was a good movie. I enjoyed it very much. Then we went to my favorite spot in the world, the Blackfoot River, Thibodeau Rapids, and later on we ended up at Trixie's Bar on our ride home and found out that in Helmville, the Father Mac Fast Pitch Softball Tournament was going on to make it a well-rounded afternoon.
We're here at Paradise Falls to pick up the Bad Napoleon computer, the one that we're editing our TV show on. And then we're gonna go to a horror movie flick and take a ride up to the Blackfoot. You ready for this movie, cuz?
Yeah, I am. In a Violent Nature.
Is Kai ready?
Yes. Looks like a Jason Voorhees movie.
Why do you want to? I want to see what was going through.
I'll let you know how it is at the end.
Troy, you coming?
Yeah.
Give you the benefit of the doubt, but you were fucking testing me, boy. You got it like that.
Always playing some song like this.
She wouldn't leave me alone.
What did you think of the movie, Kaya?
I liked it.
What's your favorite part?
When he took the dead body and shoved it into the glass.
Yeah, you're fucked up. You gotta take a shit?
Yeah.
There's John's Rude. We're on the rush trip back.
We skipped over Dangle's Eddie last time with the Sheep Flats. It's closed, but you can get.
Here we are at Thibodeau Rapids. We always take the long way home.
Where's Johnny?
Let's go check her out. Lots of fire ants.
That wave down there is usually the biggest one. That's supposed to be pretty.
Tip-a-don't, tip-a-do.
It looks like Tilly left his Snapchat here.
What kind is it? Yep, that's Tilly.
Yeah, that's like the perfect height for Thibodeau.
What's it gonna be like in 2 weeks?
Hopefully not bigger, probably bigger though.
He's recording too.
Yeah, the other dude's fishing.
Kind of.
Tilly's getting the fish.
We're up here at River Bend. I think this is the last year for JB's up here.
I like Yellowstone Campground.
or Stonyville. And I'm just fucking around on my phone. I've had this for 3 years and I'm just discovering all these cool little tactics I can use on here.
Next, our vacation led us to none other than Trixie's Antler Saloon.
I'm a deer.
Uh-oh, now it's duel. We're heading to the Father Mac. I think Marissa would understand if we go watch a couple softball games and I don't get home till 10 o'clock at night. Whoa! We used to stay right up there in a camper like that.
Nice snag. Had it good.
And that's the end of our trip. We'll see you next time, motherfucker.